We've arrived in Mersin. This is where we have to get our ferry from.
Yeah, that's not meow. That's this place, isn't it? It is very hot. We've got about 12 fans and there's only one on. We're not sat near it. But we're waiting for the ferry.
There we go. We've arrived on a very cloudy Tioman Island.
Stormy.
It's Malaysia's dry season.
Well, it's not actually raining, it's just very, very windy and stormy.
Yeah. Welcome back to Jacob and Chloe. Today we have rented bikes to explore the island. It was just meant to be like the easiest way, and mopeds are a little bit too expensive, so thought we'd get some exercise in and get some bikes, although Chloe's not ridden a bike since she was about 2 years old.
Might crash, might not, who knows?
Biking, and then they come across this. These are all bats or flying foxes.
Oh.
This is cool, isn't it?
These bikes, they cost us 30 ringgit, which is about £12, so we've hired them for the day, which is...
30 ringgit each.
Pardon?
30 ringgit each.
Yeah, 30 ringgit per bike. And we're going to go tour around the island. It's absolutely beautiful. Compared to last night when there was a storm. So pretty! So we are just heading out for dinner, but I thought I would just tell you all that today hasn't really gone to plan. So today was our first full day in Tioman, and we got a push bike and we thought, okay, right, we're going to explore the island, and the parts that we see were very, very beautiful, but soon realised that the part that we're actually staying in, which is the most popular part on the island, you can't get all the way around the island. It basically, you can just get I think it's 5 kilometers, and then you have to go up like a 45-degree angle to be able to go around any other part of the island, and of course on a push bike we weren't able to do that. So we biked for a bit and then thought, we are really tired, like we're just gonna get a moped instead because everyone uses mopeds around here. So we took the bike back and we basically asked for a moped instead. So we got a moped, tried to squeeze it through these tiny little like long metal posts, got through and then realised that the road doesn't actually lead anywhere. And we paid like £17 for a full day of the moped, so we ended up taking it back because the only way to explore the island is to get a taxi boat, which was, how much was it? It's like 25 ringgit for like a one way. So it is very expensive. So yeah, so we're just gonna go for dinner, and then we are greeted by this lovely, lovely sunset. It's a little bit cloudy, but we're gonna go to dinner and we will show you where we go and what we eat. But we just thought that we would inform you that not everything goes to plan when you travel. today being one of them, but I feel like it's always good to like tell you all and tell people that not everything goes to plan when traveling. Another reason why we've actually moved our flight, flying to Bali. We was meant to fly on the 12th and we've actually moved it to the 8th because we spent way too long in Malaysia and we want to go to a different country. So we're actually flying to Bali on the 8th of August instead of the 12th, because I think we've seen enough of Malaysia now. We've been here for almost 6 weeks. So the part of the island that we're actually staying in is called ABC, which is a short term for the actual name, but I'm not sure what the name actually is. But there isn't a lot to do here. This is kind of like a little path from one side to the other. It's like 5 kilometers long, and apart from like a few shops, some restaurants that have got rubbish opening times, the restaurants here, they don't actually, like, they don't even know if they open in the morning. They open whenever they feel like, so sometimes it's hard to eat. Like, it's currently, what time is it, like past 7 o'clock and nowhere's open. If you're the type of people that like to eat early, kind of just forget that when you come here. And this is also a road and a path, but yeah, if you're the type of people that like eating early in the morning, you kind of just have to forget that when you're here, because you eat when they open.
Chloe's mate.
I wish I could take him. I think it's a boy.
So that is us done with Tioman. We are now leaving. Basically, we didn't really do a lot on Tioman other than sort of bike around the bit that we're on. But there is definitely a lot of stuff you can do on this island. It requires you to take a taxi boat to a lot of other parts of it. But I definitely would recommend coming here, but
especially if you want to do diving. It's
yeah,
a diving spot.
Especially if you want to do diving. But personally, we really like the Perhentian Islands. So
yeah,
if you're going to come to an island, maybe you might prefer that. You might prefer this, but it depends on the individual, what you do and who are the people you meet to make a place. And that's why we really enjoy the Perhentians, but you might love the Tiomans. But yeah, we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Like, comment and subscribe.
Subscribe.
We've arrived in Mersin.
Mersin?
Where? We've got a parrot with me, have I?